are you the one who is still writing blog posts manually? Then it's time for a change. So hello all, welcome back to Pably, and in this video I'll show you how you can write SEO friendly blog post using AI, and this is going to be a step by step and a complete tutorial, so stick to this video till the end. What is going to happen is every Wednesday and Saturday this workflow is going to run. Generate me the blog title, then the blog content, and it is going to post it on Google Blogger automatically. So let's see how to create this automation. For that, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pably Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pably.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pably Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pably Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can write up to 100 of blog posts for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pably Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pably Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here, and you can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pably Connect. And this discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos. So if you watch our YouTube videos, this discount coupon code is just for you, which is RITYT. Don't forget to check it out. Alright, so now we are on the workflow builder of Pably Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on add trigger button. For the trigger application, search for schedule by Pably. It is a feature by Pably which helps you to schedule your workflows. For the event, select it as schedule workflow and click on this connect. Now it is saying how often do you want to run your workflow. So you have multiple options. If you want to run this workflow every day, select it as every day and then enter the time at which time you want to run this workflow. I want to run this workflow as the days of the week, so I am going to select the same. Now it is asking me for the days, so I want to run this workflow on Wednesdays and Saturdays. So I have selected these same. You have to select this according to your own choice. If you want to run it on the dates of the month, then you can select the dates right from here. So let's go back towards the days of week, select Wednesdays and Saturdays. Now it is asking me for the time, so I want to run this on 1 p.m. Okay, so let's select the time and click on this save. Now this workflow is scheduled for Wednesday and Saturday at 1 p.m. Okay, let's move on further. Now let's use Gemini in order to generate the blog title. Okay, so for that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Gemini and select it right over here. For the event, you have to select it as generate content and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Gemini and Pably Connect, then click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me. Click on add a new connection and then you have to get this API key. So to get this API key, you just have to click on this Google AI Studio hyperlink given right over here, and once you're on this Google AI Studio, from the left hand of the side, go on this get API key section and this create API key. Now you have to name your key, select the project and click on this create key button. Your key will be created. Then what you have to do is you just have to copy your key and paste it right over here in your workflow. After pasting this, click on this save and your Google AI Studio will be connected with Pably Connect. Now it is asking me for the text. So over here we're going to copy the same text, which is the prompt which we entered in our previous workflow. So let's just copy and paste it. Now as you can see, this is the prompt, which is you are an SEO content strategist. Generate one unique SEO friendly blog title related to AI automation digital tools. Okay, so now I am just going to enter the instructions too. So over here, first of all, I've mentioned the niche on which I want to generate the titles. Okay, now let's just enter the instructions. Over here, you're going to see that these are the instructions. So if you want, you can definitely get this prompt. In the description box below, you're going to see the workflow. From that workflow, you can just copy paste the prompt like I did. After copy pasting this, select the model as Gemini 2.5 Flash. I am going to select it as this. You can select any another of your choice. For the method, select it as generate content and click on this save and send test request. Now once you click on the save and send test request, it is going to generate you one unique friendly SEO friendly blog title. Okay, so as you can see over here is the title. Now using this title, we're going to generate the blog content. Okay, so let's go back towards our workflow. Let's just close this, and now instead of adding the whole step again, we're just going to clone this step. So left click on this Google AI Studio and click on this clone step. Now to avoid the confusion, I'm just going to first of all edit the name of this step as generate blog content. If you want, you can definitely keep it as clone step only if you don't have this confusion, but I am just going to rename this. Okay, so I am just going to keep it as generate blog content, and I'm going to rename this as generate blog titles. For that, we have to go on this edit icon and rename this. So let's rename this to generate blog title. Okay, now after renaming this, let's move on further. So after renaming this, we have to go on this generate blog content, and now for the text, let's just delete this because to generate the blog content we have a different prompt. So let's just copy the same and paste it right over here in your workflow. But now over here's a hack that you have to enter the blog title using which it is going to generate you the blog content. So to enter this blog title, we are not going to enter it manually like the rest of the text, but we are going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So we are going to map this title so that this can change with every new response received. So put a slash and open the generate blog title results and simply map this title with Gemini generated. Now using this title, it is going to generate the blog content. Keep rest everything same and click on this save and send test request. Within seconds and in real time, this blog post content will be generated based on the instructions you have provided and also the title. So I've entered the instructions according to my own needs. You can enter it according to yours. Now let's wait for a few seconds till it is generating me the blog post content. As you can see that we have successfully generated the content. This is the content, so let's post it on Google Blogger. So close this and now click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Google Blogger and select the same over here. For the event, select it as create a post and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Google Blogger and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to create this connection. Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions, so click on this continue. Give Pabbly all the permissions because your data is 100% safe with us. Now select the blog ID, so you can get this blog ID. If you open your Google Blogger, in the left hand of the side top, you're going to see this is your blog, so you have to select the same blog ID. I am going to select it as Pabbly over here. For the title, put a slash, simply go on this generate blog title and map the title. Same goes for the content, put a slash and map the content. Now it is asking me for the status. So if you want to keep it as draft, you can keep it as draft. If you want to schedule this, you can schedule this. If you want to make it as live, you can make it as live. I am going to keep it as draft and it is saying is draft, so let's keep it as yes. It is saying date published. So if you schedule this, then only you have to enter this date published. Now it is asking me for the location and the rest of the details, so these are not important, so let's just leave it as blank and click on the save and send test request. If you wish, you can definitely fill this out too. Now we have received the response that we have successfully drafted this blog. Okay, so let's open our Google Blogger. Let's just refresh this. We have all of 51 blogs, but when we're going to refresh it, we have 52 and this new blog is drafted. Further, now my team is going to review it, and once they like this, then they can definitely publish it. They can also add the labels and do the rest of the details according to their own choice. But first, we are not directly publishing it because AI can make mistakes. So my team can definitely check this out once and then we can publish it later. So with this, we have successfully created this workflow now. Every Wednesday and Saturday, this workflow is going to run, generate the blog title, then the blog content, and post it on our Google Blogger, or you can say draft the blog on our Google Blogger. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any doubts, don't forget to drop them in the comment section below. Further, if you want to learn many more automations like this, we have a YouTube channel where we regularly post automation tutorials, so you can subscribe this channel in order to learn many more automation tutorials. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.